Okay, let's begin with our computer fundamental part 7. Okay, topics to be covered in part 7 are the computer software, hardware, system software, application software, and computer networking. We are going to cover in this session. Computer hardware is a physical device which makes up your system unit. Okay, so these are your parts which you can feel and touch. This is the computer hardware. So hardware represents the physical and tangible components of the computer. Components, you can say parts, peripherals, anything, whatever word feels you comfortable to say, you can say. So this is your hard disk, your graphic card, CD, mouse, connectors, microprocessor, RAM, connecting wires, keyboard. So these are all your hardware. Camera, printers, something which you can feel as your hardware. Okay. So that is called your computer hardware. Hardware is a physical device. The relation between hardware and software are the mutual dependent on each other. Both of them work together to make a computer produce a useful output. So to get output, we need a hardware and a software. So both are interconnected to each other. Okay. If you have a software, you need a hardware, and if you have a hardware, you need a software. So both are interrelated to each other. So hardware is the heart of the computer system and the software is the soul of the computer system. Both are complementary to each other. Okay. In hardware, what it is, you have to buy once, and for the software, we need to install as per our requirement on our PC. Okay, so different applications can be loaded on a hardware to run different jobs. So different jobs are there. For example, I can say if you want to do work on your accounting work, you need a financial accounting software. For example, like Tally, you need, and there are various types of softwares in financial accounting software. If you want to write a letter, you need a Microsoft Word. If you want to make a price list of it, or employee reports or salary report in a tabular format, you need a Microsoft Excel. So these are the software applications which you require for your hardware to run for the different jobs. Job means your work. Okay, so both are related to each other. So software. What is software? Now we are learning software, okay, and this is the theory part of your computer fundamental, where you have to get it understand very nicely. Okay, so software is a set of program which is designed to perform a well-defined function. So it is a computer program, as I said. The program is a sequence of instructions. So what is program? Program is nothing but a set of instructions given to the computer. Okay, so which are the softwares used for the computer? One is your system software and one is your application software. What do you mean by system software? Let us understand. System software is a collection of a program designed to operate, control, and extend it to the processing capabilities of the computer itself. System software is generally prepared by the computer manufacturer. Okay. Now see, the system means computer. Okay. Software means program. The program which has been designed for the computer are your system software. Simple. Try to understand in a simple manner. Okay. The software which has been designed for the computer is called system software. Okay, so this software products comprises of program written in a low level languages. So your computer programs are written in a low level language. So we have to write the program for the computer to run your hardware. So software has been written in a particular languages. Okay, for that we need a special education for the software. So nowadays, now what we are going to learn is in computer operating. Okay, so now at present we are the course contents what it is. It will be of computer operating, which interact with the hardware at a very basic level. So interact with the basic level of your hardware. System software serves as the interface between hardware and the end user. So the system software serves means it gives the services and is an interface between the hardware and the operator. We are the users. Examples are given. The system software are operating system, compilers, interpreter, assemblers, etc. So these are the system software which comes along with when it is manufactured. Okay, here is a list of some of the most prominent features of the system software. See, here is an image given here. Windows, Linux is your operating system. Okay, this is called your system software. If Windows is not available on your PC, then your hardware is not going to function. So we need at least one operating system in your hardware, in your computer. Okay. Application software. Now what do you mean by application software? Application software products are designed to satisfy particular need of particular environment. Now application software are been designed in such a manner that what is our job applications in our business environment, in our job environment, what type of application we are doing, as per we can design software in a particular computer languages. So we can tell the programmers who are the software engineers who knows the coding part of it, can design the program for the company and we can accomplish our task. So that is your application software. The application software is been designed as per a work requirement. Okay, example you can take it as MS Office there, Photoshop is there, for editing software is there, Tally financial accounting software is there. So these are all your application software. All software application prepared in a computer lab can come under the category of applications. So here are some of the examples are given over here. Okay, like payroll software is there, student record software is there, inventory management software, income tax software. So these are the examples given over here. So these are the software is been created by the programmer, and to be a programmer we have to learn programming languages which computer can understand. Okay, C, C++, Java. So these are all computer languages where we need to learn it, and we also can be a programmer. Okay, so this is your application software, and before that what we have understood is that your system software. So system software is designed for computer. Application software is been designed to satisfy particular task. Okay, so this is the difference between system software and application software. Now to connect from one computer to another computer we need a networking. Okay, the multiple computers are connected to each other to share the information and resources. So we can pass on the information like files, folders, your instructions, and the resources are connected like printers are connected. Okay, internet is connected to each and every computer. So that is resources. So other devices are also connected to your computer. So in networking there are two things to remember. Now how the networking has been created, like I will tell you basic things. Okay, like as it is said that the multiple computers are connected to each other, but the thing is how it has been connected to each other. Now there is a one computer, the main computer, which is called server, and rest of the computers are called client computers. You can say nodes also. So main computer is your server, and the rest of the computers are nodes or the client PC, you can say. Okay, all the data softwares have been installed on your server. So what does the client PC do? The client PC extracts the data from the server and does the work, and the processing of the data processing work is done in a client PC and goes to the server. So this is the job. If you have a multiple, say, sales entries there, purchase entries there, so then we need a local area network. We need a networking of it. Okay, so that's why it is said that a computer network is a system in which multiple computers are connected to each other. There is a server and one is client. You can understand that much also, it's enough for you.
So here we complete our today's session. Thank you very much.